There's two vital things a Facebook pixel does, and in 2023, a lot has changed, and there's one massive problem we'll address shortly. A pixel is code on your website that you'll either place on the website yourself or use an integration to place it there for you. Your Facebook ad results are driven by how good Facebook gets at showing your ad to the right person who will take the desired action. The pixel provides that website data. Without the pixel, you can't run ads to collect leads or sales on your website, and even if Facebook allowed you to, they would have horrible results. Facebook can figure out these behaviors without a pixel, but it needs a pixel to track and optimize for these. But the pixel does one other key thing, and it serves a critical purpose. If you simply stick a pixel on your website, it'll look at your visitors and connect to their Facebook profiles. Then you can run ads to those visitors later on. If I put a pixel on my website and then decided to run ads 4 months later, I'd be able to show my ads to website visitors from those 4 months that I was tracking. You could even target website visitors who took specific actions or visited specific pages. And if you're running ads, you can show new specific ads to people who made it to your website but didn't end up taking your desired action. But there's a big problem in 2023. People on iOS devices have the option to opt out of being tracked, meaning you can't retarget them or show them any additional ads. In fact, it's estimated that 96% of iPhone users and close to 40% of all users have opted out. Now, this really messes with the Facebook algorithm as well as your results. When it's getting worse data and worse tracking, it's not as good at finding the right person to show your ad to. But there is a solution. Now, with setting up a pixel, there are 4 steps that make all the difference with tracking. To complete these steps, watch this video if you're using Shopify, watch this one if you're doing WooCommerce, and watch this one if you're using WordPress and not WooCommerce. I'll see you in one of those videos now.